Hole number 2 is a par 3. As you can see, we've got a pretty strong headwind. That's kind of beneficial for this hole. Makes it a little bit easier. What we're going to do for our setup is kind of grate proof it and go just off the rough there, so that your blue ring is cutting the rough. So that kind of grate proofs your shot. In case you hit it great right, you'll still be okay and find the fairway and bounce up onto the green. It is downhill, but a mid-adjust, so we're going to play it at 1-to-1. I put my ball guideline about 1 square deep and 1 square right of the pin here to try and compensate for the compressed guideline from the headwind and the push that'll get to the left. And we rolled just a little bit further left than I was anticipating. So for my second attempt here, I go just a little bit further. Once again, you can see the variance in the wind is fairly dramatic. We went from over 10 miles an hour of headwind to just over 8 here. So that's going to make it a little bit more difficult to just kind of copy shot by shot what's going on here. But your general premise is the same. You kind of want your second bounce to be on the fringe and then roll up over that hill towards the pin. So if you have a little bit more wind, then you're going to want to have it a little bit further to the right, a little bit less wind, and maybe just knock off a half a square or so. But 1-to-1 adjustment, and I think we're going to go with 2.5 bars of backspin and maybe 1 bar to the right to compensate for that wind.